Your city, my city, it's you city. Yeah, something like that. Who cares? Who cares? I'ma be living that good, yeah. What's up, Locked Up gang? It's your girl, Lyrically Locked Up, coming to you, live. And guess what? She looking hella tropical. Where's she going? Welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to the Bam Bam. If you are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and make sure you hit that ding ding, that bell, so that you can be updated and uptight. That's not what I meant to say. All right, but without further ado, let's get into the video. With my energy, but when it started fucking with my pedigree, that shit had to go, cause it was cruel when you held me up. A jar full of lemons, that bitter judge, and that shit turned into some bitter love. I couldn't take no more, cause I got sick of the lying. The mascara pillows ain't crying, and all your custard denying. So do what you want and move. Staying out all night, cool. You can be with whoever, whatever, cause I'm doing myself tonight. I'm doing myself tonight. So I'm going out with my girls, yeah. And we gon' turn this party out, cause I'm doing myself tonight. I'm doing myself tonight. Oh, little birdie didn't screw that, but then you think your ass is gonna pull up. I ain't got time, you crossing line. That's why for you that baby go bye-bye. Tick-tocking the same old thing. Too many bullshit. Yesterday you saying in camp, but that shit is mine. So pack a toothbrush, bitches, moving time. I got sick of the lying. Mascara, pillow stain, fuck all the crying, and all your constant denying. So do what you want and move. Staying up all night, cool. You can be with whoever, whatever, cause I'm doing myself tonight. I'm doing myself tonight. So I'm going out, my girls, yeah. And we gon' turn this party out. I'm doing myself tonight. Hey, baby, ooh, doing myself tonight. I got so sick of that shit. I said, whoo, I got sick. I got sick of the lying. I got sick of the crying. Did you know? Yeah, let me tell you something. Hey, shorty, you with that looking so good. I want you come my way. I got a feeling that you gonna wanna hear what I have to say. Cause he don't love you like he's supposed to. He don't hold you down, what you gon' do? He don't put it down like he's supposed to. And that's the proof of everything. And that's why I'm saying, stop needing boys, get you a man. No, they do, girl, you need a woman. So one who's gonna hold you down, read this. That's what you need, that's what you want. Stop needing boys, get you a man. No, they do, girl, you need a woman. like a lady. But then you turn around and fuck me, baby, baby. It's so amazing, so give it to me. Ooh, wee, daddy, don't leave. Ooh, please, and put it on me real slow. Cause that body's gonna lose control. Give it to me. Ooh, wee, daddy, don't leave. Please, and put it on me real slow. Cause that body's gonna lose control. Yeah. Put those feelings right up here on the table. You ain't even gotta lace me all up in them labels. But you gon' move that body cause you know it's able. Ooh, yeah. And I know my request is sounding crazy, but I was thinking maybe, baby, I could freak you on a daily. You know what to do now, so ain't no point but to prove it now. So give it to me. Ooh, we baby. Tell me what you want, baby. Hold me. Yeah, that body is gonna lose control. Yeah. And put it on me, real slow. Your body lose control, yeah. Put those feelings right up here on the table, on the table. But you can move that body cause you know it's able, so move. Daddy, what this gon' be? On me, yeah. That body is gon' lose control, yeah. Won't you put it down on me, yeah. Body gon' lose control, baby, can we get freaky tonight? I got so many things in my mind. Yeah. Quickest way to make me angry is start stepping on my days, and that burns me up, burns me up, burns me up, burns me up. That's the shit that makes me wanna go up, and that shit that